right. Abantu kuthi abantu babaphili abantu. Happy birthday, Mtatyana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mtatyana. Happy birthday to you. Hello, eternal love. Hey, guys. Okay, cool. Think we have enough people to talk. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are great. I hope you guys are amazing. Hope you guys are amazing. Quick, biggest question. Are we all going through this fatigue thing? Like, excuse me, guys, ngakhathala. Sabona yanda. Ngaze ngakhathala ngimncane. Ni right nina lapho ni right nje like okay khamba kahle. Ngoba hayi cha. How? Ingane ikhathele. And every day I suffer well to just leave social media. Ingase nje ngithathe break. Ngivele ngidelete WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever I'm using. Ngivele nje ngidelete izinto. Ngiyafisa nje. Ngiyafisa. Am I the only person? Like, I have been saying it on my statuses on WhatsApp. That guys, give 5 to. I'm berda. Give delete alles. Ngithi nje ngizonibona mase you're right. Am I the only person? Am I going crazy? Are we not all tired? So like, am I going through ndedwa? Hello, Manti. I know you are also there, ne? Guys, no kishapo sham. I ke batlo bujamaka kishapo. Like, I was saying to someone, I posted, I took a screenshot from a friend thinking about deleting WhatsApp or deleting social media, daily. And I took a screenshot and posted it. Literally last week, I had said the same thing. And this person said, same. And I was like, guys, we cannot. Sanmanan, we were not meant to be connecting with so many people at the same time, constantly. Like, there's no way. And then the person said, we are overstimulated. We are overstimulated. That yeah. It's in language. And not language yet. Hello, Vuyeleni. Hello, Zwane. Umini enhle uthi, what do you bring to the table when since abanye they bring ibele to the table? I am the table, darling. I'm kidding. I bring myself in my fullness. That's what I bring to the table. And my fullness for myself constitutes a lot of things. It's not just one thing, but it's grace. I bring grace, a lot of grace with me, and a lot of willingness, cooperation, listening, love, support, the Lord, encouragement, exhortation. Yeah, many things. Also, I think we are different people in different seasons as well, right? Yeah. Hello, Zinhle. When are you coming back to our screens? When am I coming back to you guys' screens? I was in your screens on Saturday. I'm on your screens on Showmax. Yeah. That's it. That's it. akasekho. Ndidiniwe guys, anidinwanga nina? Hello Bekutso. Anidinwanga? Like, are you guys not tired? Nna ke kgathetse. Nna ke kgathetse. Ngikhathele, ndidiniwe. Akasekho Thabiso uxolweni man. Ndimo wrong. Mntatyana, I'm very tired. Listen. No, end of year fatigue. It's September, yes. I think last year was the same thing. But don't you guys think that social media is adding to how tired we are? Don't you think it's like adding? Thank you so much, Cynthia. I appreciate it, Mama. Thank you so much. Queen K. It's not coming, my darling. It's not coming. It's not coming back. But thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Isibusiso. When am I starting a YouTube channel? Please go check my my bio here on TikTok. And you let me know. Upmeli sizwe andimazi. Ufile wasimeli sizwe akafanga umeli sizwe. Akafanga? Unless we are watching different things. Sitoko sami ndingumagxarha, mamcwerha. Ndizelwe ngumajola. Guys, ndidiniwe. Yo, I am, but I also on a diet, guys. I'm on this diet. I am precise. I'm on this diet. 2 weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, I accompanied my partner to some awards, right? And I had planned that I'm gonna wear a dress that I wore for something. Guys, as awards, this is Mzansi, meaning that I obviously had to pack and andizu kwazi uba ndibe ne other choice. Hang on. Yafika i-night of the awards. Ndayinxiba ilokhwe ayangena, izipha yanyuka. That stop right there. Stop right there. It can't. It cannot be me. And I'm not gonna buy a dress now. There is no option for a dress. The awards are in an hour, if not more. Less, I mean. And I wore a dress I had worn the previous night at a young dinner situation. I was so heartbroken. Ngaze ngaba heartbroken ngimncane. Ngagqoka ke mariking. Ngagqoka I satin dress yami emnyama. Ngabangena. Luckily the previous day or night I had worn it with a blazer, so I had covered it. Apayana exposed. I didn't even like how I look in the dress because now that I know that I'm fat, I can't fit in my clothes. I see all the fat. Ngathi, it stops right here. Ngabuya ke sunset, ya ngadla yonke ngadla udoti. Ngaba ne birthday on Saturday. I celebrated birthday with my couple of friends, good nice lunch. And then ngathi Sunday ama cake ami ngawadla. Monday diet. It's been a week now on that diet. I've got 5 days left of that diet. Tshela kuhamba kahle. I-discipline ngihamba nayo so. Ngoba ngifundile. Ngiyatshela. Ngifundile. Tell you about it. No. God. Ornele, thank you so much. Thank you. Queen K, it was ugly. But guess love your cap. Thank you so much. It's my boyfriend's cap. Thank you, Queen. Thank you for saying sorry. Emmanuel, sorry. Sorry, Emmanuel. Sorry. Sorry. I was too traumatized. I was so traumatized. Like, I couldn't even speak English to tell that story because wow. Vuyeleni Sulelo. Do you know that challenge I bring you better to the table? No, I don't. I think I've seen someone put a boob on the table, or someone that had was big busted, put boobs on the table. I think that's all I've seen. I don't know. I'm not updated. Yeah. So born, yeah. But you are greeting Sikelelwa Vuyeleni. You're not greeting, of course. Excuse me, Leah. I missed you. I haven't been here in a while, eh? I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, in Lady Fre, Dukulele Lady Fre. A bit. Yeah. And then credit them. Yeah. I love your lips. Thank you, Connie. Now you're making me conscious of them. Nancy Crush, I'm lol, shout out subs. Shame babes, call over and go, Simon, and do these things happen? So, okay, two things. I wanted to talk about the exhaustion that we're all feeling and our overstimulation of it, or rather us being overstimulated, maybe the cause of our tiredness. How many hours do we spend on these phones, guys? I mean, I know it's probably counterproductive to be on a live and talking about this, but someone really gave me that, what do they call it? Brought that idea upon me, or sparked that idea that, hey, you may just be overstimulated, because I was like, I just need to take a break from social media. I need to delete WhatsApp, delete Instagram, delete TikTok. Just not deactivate accounts, but just let me delete things for a bit. Delete app phone yam ngingabikho nje. Ngivele ngihambe, just leave for a good couple of weeks. Because the thing is, you'll come back and things are still the same. You're not gonna miss anything. But we somehow think we're that important that, hey, things are gonna stop because I'll print a phone or you're not around. But apparently you get back and things are still operating like they never stopped. So I think we owe it to ourselves, to be honest. I think every year, maybe twice a year, try to not be on social media. Maybe twice a year, maybe for a good 2-3 weeks or a month. So every 6 months,